All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan, and we live, baby. What's good? Is it Wednesday now? Yeah, Wednesday, May 28th, rounding out the month. Trying to finish off this week. Well, I mean, we right in the middle. Just want to make something of the week. um, Man, yesterday, after looking at the trades, just seeing how much I let just slip through my fingers, trying to hold for that home run, bro. It's just I would have had a crazy home run just taking base hits yesterday though. So I got to try to keep that at the front and just trade appropriately. You know, it's the emotions, man. Like it's like once it tilts, bro, it's iffy from there. But seems like we kind of got a lot to watch this morning. Wave Rider, what's going on, bro? How's it going, man? We swimming. We got our feet back under us, man. You back on the board? Back on the board, man. Trex, good morning. It's good. Leon in the building. My man. What's up, bro? Um, what you liking this morning, Leon? Trex, what y'all thinking? Yeah, man. Good to have you, bro. Um, I guess I mean the obvious, like SGN is going crazy. Um, that other one, I kind of still want to watch it a little bit just to see the Hulk Fest. Which one? What was that again? Where's my old scanner at here? SPRO. Yeah. What up, Trey? Trendline Trey. SPRO. Yeah. I just kind of want SGN is like killer volume, man. Like, look at this beautiful time in sales. Oh yeah, I bet, man. Dude made 175K yesterday. Like, what? What? Goals, man. That's crazy. Crazy, bro. SGN ain't good. Did we say we wasn't messing with AGN? Oh yeah. Wait, what's wrong with SGN? I think we good over what's this high? Oh, I don't know. Hold up. Ooh. Ew. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Got this range over here. What's this volume day? 97 million. Oh yeah, you said you wasn't worried about these bag holders because it dropped under $1. Okay.
WRD.
Shoot, SPR ain't halted yet. WRD. Ooh. Nah, dog.
RKLB. OKLO.
Oh yeah, I need to get those out of my It's funny because it's the opening range breakout scanner and they're going off and the opening range hasn't even closed yet. If it holds 3, we might can do something. If it gets
ITOS.
that's too low though,
BROG.
man. It's just
QBTS.
it's a no trade.
RDTI.
Yesterday was just too much, man. I need to put a float filter on this thing or something. Actually, I don't even want the orb scanner. I need a volume pop scanner. Day. SPRO. Yeah, I see it, man. Trading nicely on the one so far. Dang, halted already. Whoop. SMR. Morning knives. SMR. Oh, wow. Yeah, SMR way up, bro. TOS. Dang, that mother's cooking. We running up there to pre-market. Need to slow down a little bit. It's still the first 5-minute candle. It's good to see though, that's for sure. Dude, everything's green. SGN is barely holding on. Barely holding. Barely. Gonna get a new lower day. 315. Yep, new lower day. What's going on with the SPY lately? Looking pretty bullish. What you looking for? Did you say something about the NQ? What you looking for on the NQ? Longs? Probably shorts. It's up high, huh? Had a pretty big day yesterday. That's a nice little bounce. Now that's a nice little bounce. Okay. BROG with a nice 5-minute close, but it's below the EMA on the 15. Yeah, what's up, BLT? No trades yet, man. No trades yet. Man, ITOS is like, I don't know what to make of it, honestly. Yeah, Brog is like hella chill. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm always tempted to when I get to my office early, I'm always tempted to take some pre-market stabs, but nah, I just keep it in my zone, man. Brogdon fell way off. HGM pulling back. Yeah. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Man, this is low. What's the high? 1125, 1135 is high a day. 45 is pre-market high. So I mean, I really have to be expecting that thing to go. Hey, good morning, Microdon's Trading. Oh, SPRO opened up. Next halt is 16 cents away. That would be so stressful to be trading that, man. Yeah, I don't even want to watch it. Later for that. Yeah, that thing just went up too much, man. It ain't cooled off yet. Yeah, bro, I just took it off, man. I don't even need that taking any space in my brain at all. Yeah. Yeah, that's garbage. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, I don't need to play in those. Man, the spy is moving though. Hmm. Hmm. Hey man, I'm kind of liking ITOS, but I mean, we'll see. This volume right here's got me thinking this is the low, but I mean, it came all the way back in. It's like a full, yeah. It really needs to pull back though. That's the thing about it. Probably to like 10. Yeah. SGN, interesting 5 minute candle here. I got nothing. This is interesting though, right here though. I like this volume. I like this volume a lot. Look at the 15, yo. Hold up. All right, we gotta be patient. I want to take it right now, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait and let it give me a higher high. JOBY. No, I haven't seen that one. But the 15, bro. I'm gonna take the 15. We got 4 minutes. Yeah, we gotta wait though. That's the cool thing about, the strategy is that you just wait for confirmation. I don't want to be first in the reversal. I want to be first after confirmation of the uptrend. So I gotta be patient. You said JOBY. Ooh, nice little gaparoo into a big resistance zone. This looks just like something I've traded last week. Huh. Let's see. It's a lot of volume beneath where it's at right now, so that's good. Only 18 million so far, man. Man. That looks good, but it's just a wide range entry. Like it ain't got nothing for me inside of there. I could take that as my low, but that's still. I'll wait for a pullback on the one. Man, SGN looking saucy over here too, but it's way up as well. Yeah, we just gonna wait. We just gonna wait. JOBY though. What's the deal with this, man? I like the chart. Toyota becomes top shareholder in air taxi maker JOBY. Okay, this is like an investment catalyst, bro. I want to take it over 850 so badly. I do. Ooh, but we're not gonna do that. Yeah, it's not a good entry. It's bullish, right? It definitely looks like it's going up, but there's no entry for me. JOBY is a mid cap. That volume was hella consistent on the daily. Bull trap. SGN. Yeah, that's why you gotta wait for the confirmation. Yeah, I felt like this thing needed to come back in. Man, it ain't nothing setting up yet. What was the other thing somebody said? Something about SGBX. Goal. That's what's up. 700 million float. SGBX. Yeah, I just don't want to deal with the halts, yo. Nah, it wasn't for me, man. That was for you, bro. Glad you caught it. Now this is looking interesting. Look at the volume on that candle. Highest volume of the day on a hammer candle testing the EMA. It's hard to pass on this one. It's really hard to pass on this one. But we must. We must, for it is downtrending on the one. Ooh wee. Yeah, it's still way up. And that 15 is nasty. But all the volume came on this candle that got bought back up. SGN. Ooh, I was liking it over this candle too, bro. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Order filled.
It's pretty wild. That's pretty wild. That was bad. Yeah, that was bad. I don't know what I was thinking about. Yeah, that was definitely a 1 minute trade. Oh yeah, I forgot. I should have had it on for a baseline by now. Should have just got back out and break even, honestly. But we here now. It's low 34, 34.
Order filled.
Yeah, I was mad tripping. Mad tripping. Mm. Side of this. I know, bro. I know. Yeah, I will too. That's exactly what I'm thinking too, bro. Just the impatience, man. Yeah, 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 yeah. We back on. We back on. Man, this candle gotta chill, bro. Still in it. Yeah, my risk was just ridiculously tight. Like the entry wasn't, I mean, yeah, the risk was just ignorant. That's all I can say on that one. Just ignorant. $320. Yeah, I'm all for that, bro. This looks really nice on the one right now. Come on, baby. 2 more minutes. Just chill out for 2 more minutes. uh, mm. Bro, it's about to go, man. Just chill. Got a minute and a half, yo. Just relax. Yeah. Uh-oh. Don't get carried away now. Like, what was I trying to do? Bro, look at this volume coming in, bro. We just need to hold for 1 minute. Bro. Just wait. Wait. Bruh, we just need to take it. Nah, we got this. All right, so low 329. So I'll go 327 with my stop. Yeah, that's what got me, Knives. Hella got me. Like a sucker. Just put a wrapper on me, man. Looking for 356. Not yet. No. Just relax, bro. Just relax, bro. Damn it. Got some more at 70. I'm gonna really want it if it breaks the high now. Man, that's what's up, Leon. Well done, sir. What was your initial entry? Nice. Now it just feels like buying right into resistance. Literally. Yeah, I gotta calm way down. Way down. About to throw the whole day away. Damn, bro. It looks so strong, man, but
Order filled.
damn, that was high day breakout right there, bro. I know, man. Phil is trash. Damn, bro. That's a wrap. That was crazy. I know. Get that shit out of here. Yeah, that was crazy. I do think it's still gonna go, but that was crazy. I'm like literally out of the money. Hella. The volume is here though. Uh, hella volume. You can tip back over, man. It's $3.93, so $4. You got 420, man. That's crazy, bro. You killing it. What is my exit plan? I'm looking for seven, yo. That's my exit plan. Nah. Um Man, it's kicking so much volume right now. I like this on the one. I take this on the five all the time. But my focus on the one today is atrocious. It's literally because I made it all big on my screen. Get back down there. There we go. Now we can see what's going on. Hey, walaikum salam. Local Montana. Montana. I don't like that candle at all. Oh boy. We're not holding for 502. Damn, son.
Order filled.
Damn, son. What a crappy trading day for me today. What happened today? 2 times, bro. Nah, it was trash today, bro. Absolute hot, steamy garbage. Hot, steamy garbage. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Extreme, extreme FOMO today. Extreme. Yeah, extreme, bro. Not a single higher high was made before I entered the stock. Like literally. Literally. This looks really good. Yeah, that's true. That's scary, T-Lo. Inside day. It looks like a good setup for tomorrow, maybe, if it stays like that. It's still gonna halt every 10 seconds, though. Mm-mm-mm. I think this is gonna be a good 15er. What's the candles doing? 500K. Nah, knives. It don't be like that though, bro. It don't be like that. I just cause I bought it don't mean I saw my buy signal, man. Like this was not it. Like honestly, I should have drew a line right here. And that should have been the line in the sand for real. It was all FOMO, 100%. I took my first entry on the 1 minute chart. And which I mean, if I just used a reasonable stop, I could possibly still be in the trade. But um yeah, bro, like literally my first entry was on the one with super tight ridiculous risk. And then my second entry was literally a high day breakout. I didn't mean it to be a high day breakout. I was trying to take the break of this candle, but I mean, it's not a pullback. I wanted this to be the candle that I wanted it to be, and then it didn't turn out that way. And I still bought it. I wanted the entry around 350s. I ended up paying 390 something. Yeah. I mean, I didn't even think about that though until after I was in the position. Leon, that was the hopium was strong. This is a super narrow range candle, and it's a higher low. See, I could have waited for that. This would have been straight valid because you got the higher high, higher low. I mean, aside from the obvious sell signal, but yeah, like I just had no patience today, man. That's crazy. No patience. What's up, HH? Jovi, yeah, that's where I should have been, honestly. Shoot, that's clean right there. Nah, not really. That looks terrible. Now I want to take away the one and not have any reference, and that feels stupid too. Man, I didn't even give myself a chance today. That sucks. I just totally cheated myself. Yeah, it wasn't on my watch list. Uh, oh yeah. What's up, Gary? Hey, what's up, K1? What will I do tomorrow to improve? I'm really just super surprised at myself, honestly. this was like, am I surprised at myself? I don't know. I feel like I was beyond these kind of trades, but I guess not. Looking at the P&L doesn't help. I mean, honestly, it moves so fast. I can't even look at that. But unnecessary emotions. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. It's just I'm in such a vulnerable moment right now that I having days like this is like super painful. You know, it's a super hit to the confidence because the good trading, like having the setup, a good setup is only like, I don't know, probably 20% of what it takes to be a good trader, you know. The real part is being patient and waiting for your entry and not being emotional. So, in that light, I suck today and I'm upset about it. And I want to call my broker and ask for one more trade. There's not even anything going. If there was something going, I probably would not have had that problem. I don't know though. I just totally jumped the gun on SGN. It wasn't even like it was that late in the day either, man. Like I really haven't been taking my first trades till like after 10 a lot. Going straight raw style, huh? Don't call your broker. uh, the ultimate. Yeah. Well, this is a nice on the 15 right here. Hmm. I gotta link this up. Sim trading. Why does this not change? Oh, okay. That's what it looks like right now. What's up, Brian? Name bot. Nice narrow range previous day. Volume over recent highs. Just gotta worry about this guy, but you're already halfway through there. Yeah. Say that thing got at least 338 written on it, maybe. Oh, you got pre-market high up here to deal with. Huh. No catalyst. What's the excitement about? Yeah, it's just hard for me to jump out because I guess I feel like the pain of jumping out early and it going is worse than just taking the full loss that I committed to when I jumped in, you know. Billy and Blake. Is that a bad thing that though, Trey? Or yeah, if it goes, enter again. Yeah. Yeah, it's just Yeah. Nah. Like Billy is like just a nickname for the people who are waiting to buy at high of day. And you know, we don't want to sell to Billy and we don't want to be Billy, we want to sell to Billy. And then Billy has now evolved into Billy and Blake. Hmm. Hmm. Damn, bro. uh, don't mind being dirt. You just make sure everybody's on their toes. Dang, man. I really want to have 3 trades a day, but because 2R is so much money right now, it's just like, bro, I don't want to lose three. It feels so unfair, but I cheated my own self, so I really just don't deserve to take any more trades today. Especially after I did the stupid first trade and like had an opportunity to reset, but I was gone by then. Honestly, once I lose on a trade, I might as well just take it off my chart and just not even look at it anymore. Because like the desire for revenge makes me want to, like, it just overrides everything. Like I could have a $1,000 trade, bro, and if I got a $100 loss on my screen on the ticker, I'll be thinking about it the whole time. Like, man, I could go get that back. I could go get that back, man. Yeah, sound like the NQ ain't it right now. Uh, you talking to me, Knives? Are you in this? Yeah, I probably need to stop drinking. I mean, I've been wanting to quit Red Bull for years, man. My kids be making fun of me when they see me drinking a Red Bull, which actually really makes me upset now that I think about it. For them to see me drinking Red Bull, knowing I've been trying to quit Red Bull, it's pretty weak. I'm gonna have to stop drinking Red Bull. What's up, Knives? Damn. Yeah, probably, man. I gotta start treating myself better. It's like one of my only guilty pleasures. Like, I don't eat too much junk. The only sweets I really like are home baked. So if they're not home baked, I don't really like to. I don't really like sweets and candy and stuff. Oh wait. Speaking of that, I seen a PB and J peanut butter cup at the gas station. They had strawberry jelly. And they had grape jelly. I'm personally a strawberry jelly PB&J guy myself. No stimuli before the trading day. Just keep everything relaxed. Learn that from the GOAT. Yeah, I'm actually like approaching. Yeah, that's how I feel, bro. I don't even like to sit down without my Red Bull, bro. Like, what kind of morning is this? I don't know, man. I gotta watch back the stream for sure and see um if I can see something in myself. Cause today was terrible. 52-week high. Dang, man. Hmm. I feel like that too, Leon. Yeah, you gotta put tickers in all caps, yo. You put it in lowercase. I don't know what you talking about, BLT. I was like, age? Is he saying age? Joby? You said 950. Hmm. It really ain't that much volume in your way, honestly. But you talking about another dollar? What's the catalyst on this? Toyota. Okay, this is the air taxi one. Okay. Hmm. That's a pretty good catalyst, man. Volume's getting quiet though, bro. Volume's getting quiet. Definitely gonna have a better chance if it could hold 850 for sure. um, yeah, either it's gonna go here or it's gonna be a 15-minute pullback probably, and you're gonna have to wait for it. Yeah, if you get a higher low out of this candle though, that's pretty solid. Yep. It is, Brian. Nah, I'm not going back to mid cap knives. I'm just talking. SPRO. Yeah, I'd like the 15 on it for sure. Got a higher high above the EMA. On volume, SPRO looks great actually. Um, Damn, I wish I was thinking clearly earlier today. I just totally threw my day in the trash, man. I want it back. Yeah, SGN is done. Dunzo. It was up so high though. I shouldn't have been trading it way up there. That's embarrassing trading, bro. It's just terrible. Like literally, bro, I ended my session so fast. Like still got like an hour left, man. Yeah, man. Uncle Paul, I just totally just ruined it today, man. Even if I took the 5 minute break. Which one you talking about now? On SGN? Nah, but I'm saying it didn't even set up though. That's the problem. It never set up. Like between this open and this sell signal, there's no entry. There's no entry. The only possible, I mean, would just be to randomly buy this because it's a hammer candle. But that's not a part of my system at all. If anything, I could have saw this high of day right here get established and said, okay, if we break that high, that'll give the higher high, and then we'll see if we can hold that level as support for an entry. But as you can see, absolute horrendous rejection as it made a new high of day. And so after that high of day was made, as I would have been waiting to see what the pullback would do, if it would hold the previous high, it flushed all the way down back to low of day. I would have never taken an entry. So two complete no trades. Bruh, the most and I said it before I did it too, Uncle Paul. I was like, that's buying right into resistance. I want it back, man. Take it back. Rewind the stream. Oh, did Joby bounce? Did it hold that? Oh yes, yeah. See, that's a nice entry right there. A little higher low joint. Not really a nice entry, but I think it looks really good towards oh yeah. It looks really good actually. The one trying to reset. Now we get that higher high over this high on the one. That thing is going. Like this is what you need a higher high over now. Higher high over for me anyway. For the way I'm supposed to trade when I'm not FOMOing. I'd want to see a higher high over this line and then the higher low to hold that line. And then you get in. I know, bro. I want to call him so bad. I wonder if he'll get my text message. uh, I know, bro. You're a killer, bro. You just pick it right off the floor. I'll be waiting at waist level. Yeah, and I see it too, Paul, but I'm just still attached. I could have definitely saved myself out of that trade too. I should have went to break even as soon as it broke high a day, just because I knew I was in a crappy trade. Yeah, Leon be getting them nice feels, nice. Hey guys, hit that like button for me, man, just as a consolation prize for your boy. It's 41 people in here. I've never had 40 likes. If y'all just hit the like real quick for your boy one time. I promise I'm gonna trade better tomorrow. Inshallah, God willing. I trade much better than this normally, I think. Oh gosh. Why does this have to happen though? I gotta figure that out. If not, we all unsub. Okay. That's some good pressure, man. I need that kind of pressure in my life for real. I really just man, I had a yeah, I know they like really just yeah, beautiful, man. Beautiful. Look at the 15, man. I would totally take that 15-minute break over that high, but it's better to just wait for the 5 to go and come back. Um yeah. Yeah, I'm on the 5. This main one in the middle right there with the 5 at the top. Um Dang, it's still 40 people in here, so y'all actually mess with me. So did y'all actually hit the like? I'm about to check. Usually when I say hit the like, 10 people leave. I appreciate you guys, man. It's crazy because I believe so much that if I just trade my rules, I will have a killer day. Either I'll have a killer day or I won't have any trades. I really believe that. But I don't know what happens, man. It just I have these moments that I just get so caught up in not wanting to miss a move that I just disregard my rules. I just disregard my setup and go into attack mode and figure out how to get into this trade before it goes. I know, like literally. Literally, man. Ever since that 1K day, yeah, that 1K day, bro. That was a lot. I think I need to just do 2R all or nothing for a while, man, and just pad the pad it with some wins, man. Yeah. Nah, it wasn't a decent entry for me though, you know. Yeah, you're right, Knives. The system's solid. I just gotta stick to it, man. And I had a couple rough days taking profit, but ultimately my take profits are usually pretty decent. I do leave a lot on the table though, and I really want to stop doing that. But it's like to get to those big wins, you have to be willing to, but it's just not worth it because it doesn't happen that often. Exactly, man. That part, man. That part. There will be losses even when you trade perfectly. So you definitely can't afford to take just mistakes, just like Just random, bro. It's hard enough, man. It's hard enough. What's up, big bro? The overall the trading's going really well. Um, yeah, that'll make me feel better. Let's look at the old journal. Let's get some positivity going over here, man, because I'm sad. I haven't added my trades from yesterday. I just believe you can go broke taking profit. If I take profit at 1R and I lose 2R when I lose, then I'm gonna go broke. Oh yeah. Well, thanks for coming back to check on me, man. Yeah, man. Kind of flipped the script this month. Did we not? Oh yeah, Monday was a holiday. Man, I let so much slip through my fingers yesterday, man. Yesterday should have been at least $1,200, man, or 1,000. If I'd have just got 2R on both of my trades, that would have been gravy, you know. Um, but yeah, man, like just something happened. Well, we all know what happened. My wife told me that she wanted me to go get my full-time job back. That's literally what happened. And I was like, no, I refuse. I was trading $5 risk up until then, you know, trying to prove myself that I could do it, prove consistency, you know, be responsible. And I was failing miserably. Like month after month, I was red month after month. And damn, this is crazy how bad had a green month June, but it was a lot of rule breaks, man. Like a lot of it wasn't like a clean month. It was just like, wow, you really pulled that one. You know? uh yeah. Yep, you show right, Trey. Damn, you show right. It came from two 2R trades. Damn, bro. I think I need 2R all or nothing in my life, man. But yeah, man, things are going well. Just you know, trading's hard. Even like literally finding the winners was my problem, and then I figured that out, I think. And now it's just like managing them is stressing me out, bro. Like having like look at this trade from yesterday, bro. When you see the little barcode on the side on what it could have been, was that DJOY? Yes, this one. Oh my gosh. Look at what it could have been. Like 653 was what the high was. And then it came back and gave me 598 again. And I was like, nah, let me get that 128, please. Just give me the 128. You can keep all that up, the other hundreds, man. Yeah. So that sucked. But I mean the executions were there, bro. Like, look, I literally sold at the very top, but I only sold like a very small. I have 1,400 shares, bro. What is these executions? Where's where's the sales at? Okay, I don't even know what this means. But yeah, stopped out most of the position break even. So yeah, that was rough. Yeah, it's definitely psychology. It's 100% psychology. But Yeah, I think maybe 2R all or nothing would be a really good thing to do, man. And then if it keeps going and gives another entry, I can trade it again with a cushion. And you know, nah, the honestly, I really think the weakest link in my system is my take profit. Absolutely, big bro. And bro, 2R is like, it hurts my heart to think about taking my whole position off at 2R. Like, I be trying to get way more than that, you know. But I think 2R all or nothing to be great. And then maybe if I can just get an ad every now and then through those to multiply them and still just expect that small move, that would really build up a lot of consistency. Cause I mean, I just got too many trades where I'm working so hard. Like, look how hard I worked on this trade yesterday, bro. Like, talk about putting in overtime. Did I close my journal window? Like, I put in mad OT yesterday and barely got over 2R. Like, I could have just sold it 2R, but bruh, I hope I didn't kill myself with ECN fees. I need to get a little better understanding of how I'm being charged for ECN fees. I don't know, man, big bro. I be going back and forth so much, man. It's like that's why I feel like I should just commit to 2R, man. Because for a while I was doing half off at 2R. What's going on, Trader Sync? I was doing half off at 2R, and then I would chase the rest with my stop, or a quarter off, or I just it's just constantly changing. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just do 2R, bro. Yeah, I know, bro. I know, but that's what stresses me out though, Knives, because I know I can get way more than that. Like, where's my freaking journal, bro? Like, it's too many. Why is it not loading? What's up? Okay, here we go. Okay. This was my banger from yesterday. I mean, I caught a huge part of the move. Huge part of the move. And my risk on this was uh looked like about 15 cent. 15 cent risk. And my highest execution was 648. My entry was 510. So $1.40 move on 15 cent risk. And I only made 2R on it. Just poor management, bro. Like, I sold most of my position up in here, and then I just continued to just, I don't know, man. I was pretty upset about it. Like, I could have just sold for 2R and been done with it instead of sitting through all of this. And, you know, it just made me think, like, is it really worth holding for the home run? Because, I mean, I could have sold it 2R and maybe, I don't know, this wasn't really a place to get back in this stock. Yeah, that's definitely greed, big bro. I know it's what it is. FOMO and greed is like, yeah. All right, Knives. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, I think I just really want to commit to the 2R, man. That would feel really nice just to hit some 2R wins like just right away. And I don't know. I don't know, man. Maybe I could do 2.5R and sell like 80% just to leave a little for my FOMO. Nah, this is 5 years of bumbling through the darkness of YouTube. But like it's just this is why it's hard to go I just bro, I know my potential is so much more than that, man. Hey, this $900 trade was just one trade though. Man, I left a lot. I remember being sick about leaving all this on the bone too, man. $900 trade, bro, and just like that joker went up another couple dollars, man. And at this point, my rule is to not stop out of my entire position until the five makes a lower low. So like literally, I could have rode this all the way up, at least a portion of my position. That's what's up, HH. Yeah, I actually got to the office pretty early today, Dirk, and was watching pre-market, but I didn't see anything that I felt was enticing to me. Yeah, I know. I'm coming. I'm coming there, DJ. I'm coming there. I should have been here a long time ago, bro. It's just greed, and I know I can, bro. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. Cause, bro, like these trades tell me that like I just missed out on so much on all of these recent ones. I still made a big money on them, but okay, this one was cool. Oh, this is the one I was mad about that I sold too early. Hmm. How often do they really go that far though, huh? That was trash. Hmm. Nah, I definitely like if I were to start over or if I were to recommend someone to begin, I would definitely pay for education. Like it just it's the most direct way to get the knowledge you need. Like especially if you know exactly how you want to trade. You know, if you decide you wanted to be a day trader, yeah, I would definitely recommend paying for an education instead of, scrounging through and designing your own path and ultimately designing your own strategy and approach to the market and, just going through the stuff, just not even knowing what you're supposed to do, like not even knowing what you don't know, for a long period of time, you know, it's, I definitely think I could have gotten here faster. But it's not the education so much. It's the mentorship to me. It's the mindset. Like the chat room. That would be the most valuable part. If just like I was telling Trey, man, me and Trey go back and forth like all day almost. about our trade ideas and just, daily performance and reviews and just like constantly. And I think that's really like helped me leaps, just having somebody who's on the same grind as you to talk through all of your ideas, man. To just expound on them and let them grow a little bit. Cause you just thinking by yourself, you can't get as far. And then like that, if you could have that and a mentor who's actually profitable, because you can't bother your mentor with all your little day-to-day struggles. That's what you need your homie for. But the mentor plus that pod, that peer to peer, that's what's essential, man. That's what's, because it's your performance that needs to evolve, your thoughts, your mentality. And like now, I feel like I have a very good system and a strategy, and I feel like I understand, um, my place in the market. And my struggle now is just, my day to day mental. Am I going to be patient when I come in today, or am I going to be on FOMO? And today was really bad. Like I mean, disgusting. Oh, bro, I listened to Trading in the Zone on Audible probably once every 3 months for the last couple years, man. Biggest Loser Wins is Best Loser Wins is also one that I have on repeat. Um, yeah, One Good Trade is really good too. That's definitely another one in my library, in my Rolodex. Um, I just started listening to Relentless, which is not a trading book, but just about being relentless about what you want from life. But yeah, I think for sure, man, I appreciate you stopping in, big bro, and dropping some of your experience and advice, man. Have a good one, man. Bruh, SPRO gonna always be halted. Look at Joby. That's clean right there. Look this is my setup right here. See, I drew that line, the break, the retest, it's ready. Damn, bro. Entries not too bad. What is that? Yeah. Ooh. Way to go, HH. Holo, is that the everybody's excited about a Holo right now. What's going on with it? The daily is atrocious. Y'all are wild. I guess it's all about momentum, but the daily's atrocious. Oh, I'm sorry, man. Abu Zar. I started trading in 2020. Right before the world shut down. I made my first trade in like March of 2020. And actually, it's still the most money I've ever made on a trade. My very first trade, I made $3,000 on IBIO on a swing trade. 33 cents to like $1.50. Um, yeah, but yeah, I've been trying to day trade since then, since 2020. I took 2023 off, and then came back in 2024 and kind of just I don't know, felt like started over, but of course I still have my experience. But yeah, what you tell me earlier. It's all good, bro. Dang, you did say it like 3 times, man. I'm sorry, bro. I did not see it. Habibi, I'm sorry, man. I did not mean to ignore you at all. A Zoom meeting? Jump in the Discord, man. We can link up. The Discord link's in the description, man. Jump in there and send me a message. DOS is, I think it's 120. 120 or 130 or 115 with data included. Man, Holo is moving. I've been really liking this setup right here. I've been seeing it a lot. I took it on NVTS maybe. Took it somewhere last week, but I like this trade. I appreciate that, man. It had to be something to keep everybody hanging out with me every day while I was losing over the last year. Watching me tread water, drowning. Oh, man. I got to do something to break the spell after a loss, too. I'm telling you, man. I know Knives is always telling me that my losses are. I think he just don't really know my strategy, though, because they be like blatant rule breaks. He'd be like, bro, it's part of the game. Like, no, man, it's not part of the game. But yeah, the vision is there, man. Where's Joby? What's Joby doing? Look at it, man. Freaking beautiful. Freaking beautiful. See, I wanted the FOMO was calling right here and right here. But you got lower high. I mean, higher high, lower high, lower high. So it's still dangerous. But I mean, you could have drew a trend line right there and bought the break of the trend line. But you get the nice 3-bar play right here. Nice, big, strong breakthrough through the resistance. And then a nice pullback candle that holds previous resistance as support. Boom, that's the setup. And then you just take, when it moves back above, you take it, stop under the low. Should be able to get to 2R. I'd say 2R on this candle would be 15 cent. So 30 cent away. 912. Be out of there. Yeah, bro. You've heard me say that I am interested in taking the high day break. Oh, you heard me say it. Yeah, I probably did. I mean, sometimes it's valid. Wow, Joby's trading so nicely. It would have been so nice to participate. This setup was so clean, bro. Yeah, the larger floats for sure. It's just too dangerous on the little bitty guys. What's up, Jack? Slapped up today, Jack. Self-destruction. I stuck a stick in my front tire today. I just stuck a whole stick in the bike. I was riding downhill, man. Why not, bro? Why not? It's been a while. Just 2 FOMO entries, bro. Just total disregard for everything I've worked for the last, at least the last 5 years, to be honest, but definitely the last year. Like this trade I took on the 1 and he put my stop on the 1-2. Like, literally the tightest stop you've ever seen ever in your life, I did on this. Like, come on, bro. Like, this was my entry and this was my stop. Which is, I mean, pretty solid on a 5er, but not on a 1, bro. That was terrible, man. And then after that, I was like, all right, I messed up. That's my bad. I'm gonna get it together. Let's get back on the 5. And then I take this high day break on the 5. Oh my God. Yeah. Yeah, so I just really poor execution today. And now I got to get to walk around all day thinking about my poor execution. Is it gonna go? Let's see, look, the volume is nice. Yeah, she's going, man. This volume's sweet. It's a nice little 2 candle pullback on the 1. Uh-oh, my volume's increasing now. That's actually a good thing, but the price is going down. If it makes another low, I'd be out of there. Straight up. Just gotta hold and go from here. Or you could use this low on the 5. Yeah, you gotta be out of there. I mean, actually, 870 is still a good spot for the stop. Yeah, there you go. Hello. Yeah, the volume was nice. It's been good since you told me about it, honestly. Dang. Did you get it? Did you get it, bro? Look at this entry right here. My God. Right over this high, too. Beautiful. Just like that. Just the same thing over and over. Although this one's kind of extended, honestly. Like the entry for Holo is down here somewhere. It's very risky up here, but the volume's there. And you got over this sell signal. Yeah. I'd actually wait for the 1 to break. Just a little extra layer of confirmation. Yeah, it's way up. It's Holo is extended. This is, this is definitely chasing momentum, trading it way up here because it is extended. Wide range candles, it's gone, it may double top and just peace out. But if it goes, there you go. New high of day. Yeah, this candle's nice though. $2 over high a day. Yeah, now if it goes, I think it's pretty solid. But yeah, I just traded crappy though, Joe. It's no other way around it. I did have a lot of stuff up today though. But I mean, that's not an issue. Anybody watching LVWR? Getting a little volume spike here. Nice little higher high over the EMA there. Maybe a little pullbacky. Probably take another 10-15 minutes though. Oh man, bro. I gotta use my line. I think this line is super helpful. Putting that trend line there, man. I mean that horizontal line, like my line in the sand. Use that one or this one. Yeah, that mug is nice. LVWR. We synced it coming. The 15 was looking real saucy. Pre-market. Yeah. I don't like pre-market though. 7 a.m. What looked good this morning pre-market, OG? Let's look at a chart. Cause I ain't see anything for real. Although actually this chart looked pretty nice to pre-market. No, I'm done for the day. SGN. SGN. What about SGN, bro? It's terrible. You think that's the bottom right here? S bet. Oh yeah. That one was wild for sure. Oh, I got you. Yeah. See now this is now you might get a nice narrow range entry right here, boy. This is a good ad right here. Entry ad. Pew. And the one's not extended from the EMA at all either. It's actually real chill. The 15 looks crazy though. Yo. Oh man, I wish you could have popped in on a good day for me, man. uh, Crappy day for me, Jesus. I did it to myself though. It's all right. I'll fix it tomorrow. I'm doing 2R all or nothing tomorrow, man. I'm in timeout. I'm just gonna get my 2R, man. Hot days, there'll be multiple opportunities, and I'll have big days. And on a normal day where it's just like one trade, I'll have $500, and that's great. So that's the plan. Yeah, coming in here and trading stupid is I gotta accept that it's just gonna be some days that I'm gonna come in and trade stupid. I think what's happening though is that they're getting further and further spread apart, and so it's letting my wins shine a little bit more. Yep, straight up, man. But it's just I really believe these days are avoidable. Like I don't think that I'll ever. I mean, not let me not say ever, because I know the market does random things, but I just think there's really no need to ever go max loss. Like I don't think I'm going to come in here on my A game and take two A+ setups and leave here at max loss. I just don't think it's going to happen. Maybe one of them, but not both of them. I just don't think it's going to happen. As absolutely true, Leon. Damn, something happened yesterday. Oh, yo, Leon. I was at the gas station yesterday, right? And the dude in front of me, we kind of had some banter about the fee that they charge to run your card. And he got some change back, and he was like, "All right, man, I'm about to, they got I don't know if they got those in where y'all at, but here in my city, every gas station now has gambling machines that they're called games, but they're gambling machines. And you go in any time of the day, any time of the night, and it's people sitting there in the chair at the gas station gambling their money away." And dude was like, Hey man, I'm gonna put my change and see if I can win something. I won something last time, why not? And I was like, I wanted to say, bro, you winning last time was the worst thing that could have happened to you. If you would have lost, if you would have went and tried that and lost, that would have been the best thing. And now here you are gambling your change at this stupid machine. So yeah, I'm definitely glad that I got the results that I got from my stupidity today. Cause ain't nothing worse than getting rewarded for doing something stupid, and then now you got this little voice in your head like, "Hey man, it worked last time. It worked last time, man. Just try it again. It'll work." Slippery slope, man. You gotta be careful. I'm telling you, man. Every mistake is like disastrous. Like literally, my first trade was a mistake, and it led to my second trade, which was a mistake. Like honestly, I might as well just have my max loss at 1R, and as soon as I lose that first trade, just leave, bro. It's like, all right, just come back tomorrow. Unless it was a legitimate A plus. I think that's actually a great freaking idea. That's a great freaking idea. That's a great freaking idea. I'm doing my max loss at, and that'll keep me in that mindset, bro, that got me here. Dang. Whoa. Whoa, Trey. Whoa. Damn, Trey. Damn, Trey. Damn. I can't lose 500 a day right now, though. I can't, bro. I gotta go back down to one. Yeah. Like, this is unacceptable, bro. Yeah. One trade a day, 250 max loss. Man, Jack, it was so awesome. It was so awesome. Yep, exactly. Exactly, Leon. Damn, that's a great idea. I've been watching LVWR. That thing, yeah, that thing's gooch, man. You got the higher high, just wait for the pullback. Got the 3 bar play developing on the 15. It's looking real saucy, man. Good volume coming in. I think the one needs to crash back down and test the EMA at minimum. Yeah, it's looking very interesting. It's probably gonna take a couple minutes to cook, but um, yeah, I think it needs a good pullback first. Maybe not though. I mean, yeah, it's a pretty big volume pop over here. 355. Yeah, it needs to hold like 355, 350, I would say. No, I mean, I ain't trading it, but nah, this is solid, Uncle Ball. Excuse me. Well, I don't know. High of day being right there is super sketch, actually. 5 cent below high of day. 15-minute candle, though. This looks really nice. Like, if this candle closes right here, yeah, that's good. Yeah, something about it is sketchy, though. You do have the trend line break, though. Yeah. Ah, yeah, it is day two. And this is actually the exact candle I would expect on a day two. And that's why I don't like to trade day two. So But I mean, if it goes over highs though, that thing could definitely run really nicely. It seems to be holding that 355 area too. Nice little buy volume on that last candle. Break back over 363. Yeah, this is looking real solid. It's looking real solid, you guys. Where's the sim at? Yeah, I thought the one would want to crash out first. It's really how you draw a trend line on this thing. No trend lines. Oh, here we go. Maybe it is that one. Wait for high day, then consolidation pattern. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, yeah, I remember. Yeah, this would be a high day breakout though. That's the problem. Unless you get a nice dip. Yeah, if this 5 minute candle dips down and you can get an entry like right at 350, that would be pretty sweet. What is this over here? I got a position open somewhere. Oh, Nvidia. Stop it. What time is it? 10:21. European close. I can't believe I threw my trading day away so early, man. Like it was over in no time. Before 10 o'clock, I was done. My bad, bro. Can I do dark mode? Okay, here we go. My bad, G. You can't see the candles as well in dark mode, though. I'd actually like to see this 5 minute candle make another low, at least below this candle. Yeah, this looks like crap in the dark mode. They need to redo the candles or something. Can't see nothing. This is a really nice pullback though. If this 5 minute candle could close that narrow right there, that'd be pretty sweet entry, I think. Oh yeah, that's good right there. That's real good. What was the catalyst, HH? What we got here? Like 10-cent risk. That's pretty cool. It's about to pop. Nothing burger. There is none. We about to find out here in just a segundo. If it's going to want to get a little pop here. Man, appreciate it, OG. Yeah, I really want to call my broker, but I just losing 500 hurts my feelings, bro. This is a simulator from TradingView. Yeah, I don't know, bro. This mug is pulling back a lot. Man, Trading Terminal, not Trading View, I'm sorry, Trading Terminal. Trading View actually has a really nice paper trading system. I'd actually rather be using that, honestly. It's way better. I didn't even think about that. What are we watching? LVWR. Why are all these limit orders floating around? Yeah, it is. All right. We took that trade. Stop loss there. 275. So what y'all think? Oh yeah. Nice. Well, we can have a little fun. See, my heart rate didn't go up at all. There he is. Let's see here. What's happening? What is this? When did this get here? Get this out of here. You in there, Trey? Oh, snap. Cheese is crisp in the building. Let's go. Oh yeah. Yeah, that does kind of suck about this. I don't got any time and sales going. Oh, a 365 right here? And I'm out. Well, dang. We about to find out. Anything else? I don't know, man. I don't see anything on my watch screen. Everything else looks a lot worse than this. What's this low? 46. Might as well leave it where it's at. No trade again. Wish I had that, bruh. There really wasn't no trades for me to take today. Just like no volume on this pullback though. Assuming Trading View is actually showing me some good volume. Yeah, I think we could pop right here. I mean, that would just, of course, presume that there's some buyers finna come in, but I think it looks good for me until it stops me out. Here we go. Here we go. Nah, that's way too soon. Way too soon. Double down on 'em. Yeah, the break of this high wouldn't be a bad spot. I would actually rather this thing stay right here and the next candle break this high, and then I would add on that one rather than taking the high of this. But yeah, I'm definitely trying to get there, Dirk. Um, I think if I can leave my 2R target and just accumulate shares on my way up, you know, that would be the best. Like I need to put $500 realized at 2R. So if I can do that and still have shares left over, that would be cool. You know. So, we'll see. I got to figure something out. But I need 500 at 2R. That has to happen. Got Minute and a half left on this candle. Sheesh. It's not moving at all. Oh yeah, bro. Over this high, we good, man. Give me 363 and we good. 363 and we good, man. Oh yeah, there we go. We good. We good. Don't worry about it. No, we got some grinding to do, but break over 370. Yeah. That's where I got my whole target at. All right, now now I want to put my stop under this candle though, which is 49. Take $100 of risk off, because if this is a lower high, I'm out of there. Might as well snug up the risk. That's one of the things I've noticed that I could do, which mostly happens after a high, where I'm looking to see if it's gonna keep going higher or if I should just take my shares. I'm noticing a spot where I could definitely tighten up risk. Well, there's some molasses trade right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't know, man. The volume is looking kind of dead. I mean, these were some nice volume spikes, but where's the follow through? Got a lot of volume up here. Yeah. Don't look like it's happening now. Yeah, I think we can snug this all the way up, honestly. I'm gonna kick myself out because of the 1 minute. What we got here? Yeah, I missed out on Joby. I wish I would have jumped over here when that first I didn't even really go. Was a wide range entry though. Came back and tested it again. Yeah. That's the thing, man. If it ain't popping, I don't even want to be trading it. Like if everybody's not like going crazy over it, I don't even want to be there. Like this is a waste of time. Desperation trade, even on the sim account. SGN. Yeah, you right. You definitely did. You definitely did. I'd be hard headed, man. Oh yeah. Mm. I know, right? Mm. Mm. Well, got out of there. There's no follow through, yo. Anyway, that was fun. All right, yeah. So tomorrow, max slots 250. One trade a day. Only reason I get to take a second one. Dang, it's about to go. It's about to go. See, that's why I don't want to be so aggressive with my stop. Just leave it where it's at. Yeah, I know. Leave your stop where it's at. And you don't move it up till you get a higher high. Punked out of that one. And see, this is why I said I don't like to do that. Because you know how upset I would be? I would be FOMOing back into this trade right now. The 15 looks stupendous, though. Paper hands in the sim, bro. I'm shook, bro. I'm shook. Yeah, this low is holding real nice. Oh, well. Tilting. Yeah, I know, man. It definitely happens. I feel like I tilted today. Just on 2 trades. Yep. That's it, man. I'm super excited about that. Well, I think it's pretty clear I'm done today. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me, man. Tomorrow, I will be better, God willing. Just got to be patient, man. Just like, I mean, ridiculous, just ridiculous today. But it's a another good chin check, I guess. Um, but yeah, tomorrow, max loss 250. If I don't hit on my first trade, we just come back tomorrow, man. Cause like more than likely, my performance is it's sucky. So no need to lose too hard to figure that out. Yeah. All right, y'all, hit that like button for me. Yeah, there it goes, man. That's crazy. Wow. Wow. Ah, wow. The play was good, man. I just raised my stop. Good call, man. All right, y'all, be easy. Peace.